I am from the United States. I am from the United States. Sam, where are you from? Korea. I am from the United States. Where are you from?
I am from Korea.
Great, Sam. Now you ask Teresa.
Where are you from?
I am from Colombia.
Excellent, Teresa. Now you ask Isabel.
Isabel, where are you from?
I am from the Philippines.
Great. Now you ask Oscar.
Oscar, where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Great. Now you ask me.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States. Oscar, where is Teresa from?
She is from Colombia.
Great. Teresa, where is Isabel from?
She is from the Philippines.
Great. Isabel, where is Sam from?
He is from Korea.
Sam, are you from Mexico?
No, I am from Korea.
Isabel, are you from the Philippines?
Yes, I am from the Philippines.
Sam, where is Oscar from?
Oscar is from Mexico.
Oscar, where is Isabel from?
She is from the Philippines.
Where am I from? Isabel.
You are from the United States.
Outstanding.